This is our farm. Children love farms as they are awesome places to grow up. But farms are dangerous places too. That's why we have a safe area to play, away from the dangers of the farm. We are not allowed on the farm without a grown-up.
We've built a safe area for our children to play, secure from the busy farmyard. I know where they are. Every year in Wales, lots of kids get badly hurt on farms, so we as adults need to take responsibility for ensuring your safety. I don't want to be one of the statistics. A farm is a dangerous place. Come with me around my farm, I'll show you. Silage time is really busy. Farmers, including myself, are in a hurry to get the silage in when the weather's good. It's really hard work and I'm out for most of the day. Silage is made using big machines. Tractor, trailers and harvesters, self-propelled. Huge tractors pull the big trailer in from the field. You have to stay away from these big machines. The tractor is so big and loud, the driver might not see or hear you or anybody in the way. Tractors are so big they could kill you if there was an incident. Always keep well away from moving machinery. Lots of children have been badly hurt or even killed by falling from tractors or other farming machinery. It's against the law for you to be riding in them. It's just so dangerous. PTO, power take-off shafts. These are used to drive heavy machinery. This area is really dangerous, and I always have to make sure that it's covered safely by the guard. There's always lots of old equipment laying around the farm, like tractor tyres and stuff leaning against the shed wall. These are heavy. Imagine if they fell on you. You could be really badly hurt. There are lots of sheds and buildings on the farm with big, high walls. It's dangerous to climb these walls or use ladders up onto the roof. That bale stack might look like fun to climb, but they might fall, and so could you. One of the best things about living on the farm is all the animals, but animals can be dangerous too. Baby lambs and calves are so cute, but don't get too close. Their mothers might think you're trying to hurt them. They protect their babies just like your mother would protect you from strangers. Even outside in the field with a dog, they might attack you. Bulls are smart. Bulls can be really cross. Bulls can kill you. Sheep are usually quiet, but rams can really hurt you if they feel threatened. This ram looks innocent enough just lying in the field, but he's fast and strong and will hurt you if you get too close. Stay away from them. Never get too close to these animals. I always make sure that they are in a secure area. That's where all the slurry is collected during the winter. Slurry gas is a mixture of gases that is very poisonous to people and animals. That's what the horrible smell is. If you fall into the tank, you'll not be able to get yourself out. Never take chances around the slurry tank. Stay away. Farmers have a responsibility that all slurry pits are fenced off and secure.
I love it when my friends come around to play, but they don't always know the dangers of playing on the farm. So, my parents have made a play area to keep us safe. We play in the garden, which is separated from the farmyard. You can have fun here and still be safe when my parents are busy working on the farm. Remember, farm incidents do happen, and lots of children in Wales have been killed in farm incidents. Don't let this happen to you or your friends.
My motto in life: my farm, my children, my responsibility.